Everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is birthdayyy and we have fun here. So subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up if you're in a good mood. If you're in a bad mood, give it a big thumbs up, because if you give it a big thumbs up, then you'll know that I'll be very happy and that'll put you in a good mood again. That was so cheesy. For today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my new iPhone 12 Pro Max that my sister got me for my birthday. My birthday's in a week from now and I'm very excited. I'm turning 21, so thank you to my beautiful sister for getting me this very, very awesome gift. So let's get right into the video. I got the new iPhone and it's so exciting because, like, I don't know, I'm just very excited. I love how it's like, you know, like a square shaped. So let's go ahead and open it. So we're just gonna open it up at her. It comes with the charger, which is the regular lightning cord, but the end is a USB-C. So it's basically like the one you use for the new MacBook laptops. But this is the phone. I love the shape of it. Squared kind of on the sides, which is really cool. It came with this screen protector that it came with, so let's open it up. Oh my gosh, I haven't opened it yet and I'm so excited. Ah! There she is, so beautiful. Here she is, in her glory. Let's first give her some protection and put on the screen protector. I got the screen protector on Amazon, and let's just put it on. Please, no bubble. Please, no bubble. Yay, no bubbles. She is looking great. So I made this case for my phone. I have a phone case business. If you would like to go check it out, I'll put the link in the description box below. I sell really cute cases. So if you want to support or share with your friends, then please do so. So yeah, I made this case. It's a part of the new animal print collection that I will be dropping very, 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 very soon. And this is just one of the beautiful cases, and I'm just gonna put it on to my phone. And perfect. She's turning on. She's turning on now. But I already got finger smudges on it. What is wrong with me? I'm so excited. The case looks so pretty. Yay. Okay, I'm very excited. Let's open it up. I'm gonna have put the phone in English. Select country or region, United States. Quick start. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in and set up. Should I set up the phone manually? Because I feel like if it would transfer like literally every single thing, like I don't want it to, because I have way too many apps and a lot of this is the phone I have right now. This is also from my phone case collection, so if you want to go check it out, go check it out. This is iPhone 11, and I love it too. I'm actually gonna miss using a phone, but look how little it is compared to this. I love big phones. I've always loved big phones, just cause like when I watch Netflix, I feel like it's on a bigger screen. You know what I mean? But I am still on Halloween mode on this phone. Do you see the backgrounds? It's Halloween. Everything is Halloween. Everything is Halloween. Still on Halloween mode, and I have so many apps that I have to figure out and organize, and I haven't done that yet. So I'm thinking, I don't know. I'm bringing it near the phone and it doesn't show up. Oh, okay. Use your Apple ID to set up your new phone. Okay, I'm gonna do it. It showed up. It says hold your new iPhone to the camera now. That was pretty cool. That was kind of dope. Technology, man. Technology. Okay, enter your passcode for your other phone. Gotta wait. I see my face on this. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Oh, Face ID. Okay, if you are moving from Rosalie's iPhone, you can transfer all its data and settings directly to this iPhone. Keep your other iPhone nearby and connect it to power until the transfer is completed. Because it's at 45 to 50 minutes. The only thing is I hope my Kim Kardashian game is still intact. I'll just have to organize everything. Continue. It says 45 to 55 minutes. I guess I'll see you guys back. I'll be back in an hour when this is done. Okay, so the phone literally transferred everything, including the screensaver, which is still in Halloween mode, like I said before. But I'm gonna change the screensaver now and show you guys how I want to customize my phone. So basically, I'm just getting these screensavers from Pinterest, and I'm adding it to my lock screen and then to my home screen, and then I'm also getting some pictures from Pinterest to add it as the pictures on the widgets, and just some aesthetic pink vibe type things. And this is how it came out, and I love it. It's so super cute. I'm gonna put a screenshot of like how the finished product is, because I only did the first page on camera, but I love how it looks. And thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
I was hanging with you, and then I realized I didn't think it was true. I was surprised when I found out I'd fallen